Hi everyone, I thought I would just stop over to give you a very quick update about how our little plant babies, our seedlings, are doing. They're doing quite fantastic, I must say. I'm going to be redoing the broccoli and a bit more, but I'm just going to give you a bit of a layover first about how each plant is doing and go from there. So I'm just going to give you some quick updates. Our chamomile's doing fantastic. Many sprouts. I'm really excited for it. We have some oregano popping up here. Mint is one I'm struggling with. I planted mint here, and then the mint I also planted on this side is not sprouting, so I'm probably going to redo that because I'm pretty sure mint is a fast sprouter. Our basil's doing fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 more here. We got some thyme and some lemon balm here. Oh wait, right here. Cabbage is doing great. Cucumbers are doing fantastic. You can see that the third and final true leaf is going to be popping out over this next bit. I'm probably going to take these out of the seedling pots and put them into like the transferring pots that are slightly larger in a few days. But once they develop that true leaf is when they're ready to go. We have our baby tomatoes here, which I may or may not be starting all over again. Cabbage, our glacier tomatoes, some more, I don't remember. Oh, this is kale. All of this is kale, and the kale is doing fantastic. Broccoli, not so well. You can see it's very leggy, and so I'm probably going to be snipping these out and just starting some new ones, which is great because it's only been a week, and I'll be making sure that that gets more light. And then more chamomile and more basil. So yeah, this is an update after 1 week. Isn't it just so beautiful witnessing what occurs with a seed, some soil, some sun, and some water? Like, it never ceases to bring me joy. So that's what that is. And I also want to give you a quick little tip. So I know I mentioned I was going to be using a fan to blow onto the leaves just to strengthen their stems and to give them some experience with outdoor conditions, because we have been getting lots of wind storms lately, and I wouldn't be surprised if those continue. And so one of the things that you can do is literally just give them a quick blow, and that should really help assist in their growth process. I've also been rotating these a lot more than just every 2 to 3 days. It's really been 4 times a day. I find that when it's more, I guess, vertical like this, like vertical facing the window, they become less leany. As opposed to when I have it horizontal like this, that's when they go to one side and then the other. So I've been rotating this around 4 times a day to assist with the sun process. But so far I'm really proud, I'm really happy, and I'm really, really grateful that these have been doing fantastic. I'm literally in awe. I'm in awe. I'm joyous. And so that's where we're at for week 1. And then I'll be doing... tomorrow, when I get rid of the broccoli, I'm also going to be planting the flowers. So maybe I'll start a new video about that. And that's everything.